Hey there, future digital pioneers. Imagine a world where your computer works harder than you do and gets paid in cryptocurrency. Sounds wild, right? But it's happening every second of every day. It's called crypto mining, and it's reshaping our financial systems as we speak. But here's the thing, not everyone is winning in this game. What if I told you understanding mining today could mean securing a massive edge tomorrow? Feeling that mix of excitement and a little FOMO? Good. Stick around. I've got the answers you didn't even know you needed. No, not that kind of mining. Put that shovel down, Carl. Huh? But here's the catch. Crypto mining isn't all rainbows and digital gold. There are risks you need to know about. And in the next 10 minutes, I'll guide you through what crypto mining really is, how it works, and whether you should dive in or dodge it. Ready? Let's decode this digital treasure hunt. All right, first off, what exactly is crypto mining? And no, it's not some underground bunker with computers plotting world domination. Or is it? No, it's not. Segment 1, the basics. Crypto mining is the process of creating new coins and verifying transactions on a blockchain network. Think of it like a digital bookkeeping system. This happens through complex math problems solved by powerful computers. Here's the kicker. Those who solve these problems first get rewarded in cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. Sound simple? Well, here's the twist. It's a high-stakes race. Imagine hundreds of computers worldwide competing like sprinters in the Olympics. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1, you need hardware. A high-powered computer, not your grandma's laptop. Think GPUs or ASICs. Step 2, install mining software tailored to your hardware. This software connects you to the blockchain. Step 3, join a mining pool, a team effort where everyone contributes computing power and shares the rewards. Step 4, get a crypto wallet. You'll need a secure place to store your earnings. Step 5, start mining. But here's the catch. Electricity is a huge cost. If you don't plan right, you might spend more on power than you earn in crypto. But what about the dark side of mining? The risks, the scams? Are you ready to face them? We'll get to that in just a moment. Segment 3, risks and realities. Let's talk risks. First, hardware burnout. These machines run 24/7, so heat and wear are real issues. Second, rising difficulty. More miners mean harder problems, which means fewer rewards. And third, scams. Yes, mining scams are everywhere. If someone promises you easy money, run. It's a trap. But don't let fear stop you. With the right knowledge and tools, you can mine smart. And that's why you're here, to make informed decisions. All right, we've covered what crypto mining is, how it works step by step, and the risks involved. Now here's the question. Is it for you? Maybe mining isn't your game, but don't stop your crypto journey here. Want to explore the coins that dominate the market? Click on the video right here. Bitcoin, Ethereum, TON, coin most popular, cryptocurrencies explained. It's the next step in your journey. And don't forget, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below if you're thinking about starting your own mining adventure. Remember, the future belongs to those who mine their opportunities. See you in the next video.